Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install hundreds or even thousands of fonts at once in Windows. No more clicking each font individually, we're going to install more fonts in just a few seconds. First, you need to download your fonts. I'm using 1001fonts.com, which has thousands of free fonts available for commercial use. Make sure to verify the licensing terms before using them in your projects. Click this filter to show only commercially licensed fonts. Browse through the collection and download the fonts that catch your eye. With thousands available, take your time to find ones that perfectly match your project style.
A few moments later.
When you download fonts in bulk, they'll come as zip files. Instead of extracting each one individually, we'll use a batch extraction tool. I recommend 7-zip or WinRAR, both are free and work perfectly. Select all your font zip files, right-click and choose Extract to your designated folder. I've created a folder on my desktop called Downloaded Fonts for this purpose. This extracts everything to that location in one go. Once extracted, you'll have folders containing font files along with README documents and other files. Create a new folder called Fonts to Install, then collect only the actual font files, usually ending in .ttf or .off, and move them all into this single folder. This keeps everything organized and ready for installation. Now our fonts are extracted and ready for installation. Next, we'll open the Windows Fonts folder located at this path. Now, press Ctrl+A to select all fonts at once. You'll see at the bottom it confirms how many items are selected. Simply click and drag all these selected fonts into the Fonts window. Release your mouse, and Windows will start installing all of them automatically. If you already have some fonts installed, Windows will ask what to do. Check the box that says do this for all current items, then click Skip or No. This tells Windows to skip any duplicates and continue installing the rest. And just like that, all your fonts are installed. You can see the fonts folder updating with your new additions. If you're planning to use these fonts in a program like Photoshop or Word, you may need to restart that program for them to appear. To demonstrate this, let's open Microsoft Word. Type some sample text and highlight it. Now open the font drop-down, choose one of your newly installed fonts and press Enter. As you can see, the font change takes effect immediately. This confirms our installation was successful. Feel free to experiment with different fonts to find what works best for your document. Before you delete your font files, let's talk about backing them up. If you ever need to reinstall Windows or get a new computer, you don't want to download and organize more fonts all over again. Right-click on your desktop or in any folder, go to New, and select a WinRAR zip archive. Name it something descriptive like Free Commercial Fonts so you know what's inside. Now drag your fonts folder into this zip file. Windows will compress everything into a single, easy-to-store file. Store this zip file in two places for maximum safety. First, copy it to an external hard drive or secondary drive. Second, upload a copy to your cloud storage, OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. This way, if anything happens to your computer, your font collection is always safe and ready to reinstall. Done! You've just installed hundreds or thousands of fonts in minutes instead of hours. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.